Welcome to our YouTube video on how to change broadcast wallpaper on WhatsApp. Today, we will guide you through the simple steps to customize the wallpaper of your WhatsApp broadcasts. Let's get started. To get started, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Next, tap on your broadcast to access the chat settings. Now, locate the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and tap on them. From the options that appear, select Wallpaper. You will now be taken to the wallpaper settings. Tap on Change to browse through the available wallpaper options. Once you find a wallpaper that you like, simply select it. You can choose from a variety of beautiful wallpapers to suit your preferences. Finally, tap on Set Wallpaper to apply the selected wallpaper to your broadcast chat. And there you have it. You have successfully changed the broadcast wallpaper on WhatsApp. By following these easy steps, you can personalize your broadcast chats and make them more visually appealing. Now, let's dive into the details and change your broadcast wallpaper on WhatsApp.